Alrighty, welcome back. So in this video, we're going to talk about video preview. So let's click on next. And we can enable Mercury transmit. We're not going to do that, but we have Adobe Monitor 1, 2, and 3. And these are 1920 by 1080 monitors that I got. And then Adobe DV. Disable video output when in the background. Video preview during render queue output. / dash on numeric key toggles Mercury transmit. So that's video preview. Now, what I will tell you is this, okay, before I go to the next video, is when you get your workflow set up, okay, when you get your workspaces set up for After Effects and you have 1, 2, or 3 monitors, and it's up to you what you want your setup to be. But what I'm going to tell you from my experience is if you can get 3 monitors, get 3 monitors. And do you know why that is? So that you have plenty of space for all your tools that you're going to use. So it really depends on your workflow. If you're going to be using all the panels, you need 3 monitors. If you're going to use, half of those panels, 2 monitors will do. But also have a preview monitor. So that way you have 1 monitor dedicated or TV dedicated to the actual video itself, and then the bottom 3 are for your tools. An example of that would be this. You'd have 3 monitors, similar to what I have. I have 3 monitors, and then I have an ultra-wide monitor on the top, which is connected to another computer right now. But if I were to set up my system that way, I would have the 3 monitors on the bottom, cover the project panel, cover the timeline panel, and cover the source monitor, which would be on the top, and then you would have all the other side panels on the right. Why would you do that? You'd have the project panel on the left, the timeline in the middle, the other panels on the right, and then on the top would be the monitor. Okay, so that's video preview preferences. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.